Hi friends, welcome to Pavani's Pakashala. Today I am starting a new YouTube channel and I am dedicating this to my grandmother and mother who taught me basics in cooking. And also, this is a gift to my daughter by which she can remember me forever. Today I am making tawa paneer tikka and barbecue vegetables. Ingredients required to make paneer tikka. Actually, we are making paneer tikka and grilled vegetables also today without a grill, without a tandoor. So, let's see the ingredients first. We need mustard oil. This is close to 4 tablespoons. 1 teaspoon of Kashmiri chili powder for good color. Besan, that is gram flour. Ginger garlic paste. Hung curd. Kasuri methi powder. Half teaspoon of ajwain. Pepper powder. Haldi, that is turmeric. Cumin powder. Salt. Black salt. Red chili powder. Vegetables required to make paneer tikka. Onions, cut it into cubes like this. These are the sliced onions which can be used for garnishing. Green capsicum, cut it into cubes. Yellow capsicum, tomato, baby corn. I have cut it like this because the baby corn size is very big and it won't cook while doing the tikka. And brinjals. Brinjals I have not yet cut because if we cut it beforehand, they'll get bitter. So we'll cut it before adding it to the marination. Paneer, cut it into cubes. And broccoli, carrot, baby potatoes. I blanched baby potatoes, broccoli and carrots. Okay, let's see how to cut the tomatoes for tikka. Cut the tomato into 4 pieces. Peel out all the seeds. And cut it into cubes. This should be the right size. Let's do it with one more. Add 1 tablespoon of mustard oil to the pan, and once the mustard oil comes to the smoking point, add half teaspoon of ajwain. You have to crush it like this in your hands and then add it to the oil. Let them splutter. Once the ajwain splutters, add 1.5 teaspoons of gram flour. Roast the gram flour on slow flame. Let's do the marination for the paneer tikka. This is hung curd and this is the roasted gram flour which I roasted for half a minute in mustard oil. Pepper powder, cumin powder, black salt, salt, red chili powder, turmeric, ginger garlic paste, kasuri methi, Kashmiri chili powder. After adding all the masalas to the hung curd, let's mix it. The marination has become little thick. Let's add some water. You can add garam masala, coriander powder, chaat masala also to the marination, but I like to keep it simple, so I did not add them to the marination. And I think the consistency is right. This should be the consistency. And we are gonna add smoked mustard oil to the marination again to give good shine to the vegetables and good flavor. Okay, let's make marination for grilled vegetables and paneer tikka. I'm making it two different bowls because if I add paneer into the same bowl with all the vegetables, paneer gets broken. So paneer tikka, capsicum and onion in a different one, and rest all the vegetables in a different one. So we have paneer here. So let's add some marination to this. Let me show you like this. Some onions and green capsicum. Mix it gently. Mix it gently and add some smoked mustard oil to this. This mustard oil is smoked for both the marinations. I am adding 1/4 of it to the paneer tikka marination. Mix it. It gives good shine to the vegetables and paneer. It is done. Now let us put this aside for 20 minutes and do the marination for the rest of the vegetables. Add brinjals, onions, baby corn, red capsicum, green capsicum, tomatoes, these are the blanched vegetables, broccoli, carrot and baby potato. They are still intact. You can see this. It's not cooked fully. They are still intact. Add rest of the mustard oil to this and mix well. Okay, after mixing all the vegetables in the marination, let it rest for 20 minutes in the fridge. Okay, the vegetables have been marinating in the fridge for more than 20 minutes. Let's start arranging the vegetables and paneer into the skewers. These are the steel skewers I'm using to make the tikka on the stove top. I'm putting the skewer directly on the flame. Keep rotating it for every 30 seconds so that the vegetables and paneer get the charred flavor. So once the vegetables are charred like this, put it on the tawa and apply butter on all the four sides. There can't be a Punjabi dish without butter. Okay, the vegetables and paneer are done. After arranging all the grilled vegetables, onions and lemon, let's give it a barbecue flavor. Place one charcoal and add some ghee. Close the lid. Okay, the grilled vegetables are ready to plate. Let's plate them. Thank you for watching the video. Please like, share and subscribe to our channel Pavani's Pakashala.